Okay, here's a diagram representing the situation. This is the highway. This red line is the road that's perpendicular to the highway. And here's the farmhouse, D miles from the highway. Notice that the highway and the road are perpendicular. Okay, and the car or automobile runs through this intersection and continues on at R miles per hour. I use the letter, well, D we already were given. I use the letter K for this distance right here. And we're told that the rate of change of that distance is R miles per hour. That's another way to say that dk dt is R miles per hour. And I'm, for some reason, use the capital letter M to represent the distance that the farmhouse and the automobile are apart. So by the Pythagorean theorem, what we're really asked to do is find dm dt, the rate at which this distance is changing, when k is 22 miles. So the relationship between d, m, and k is based on the Pythagorean theorem. D squared plus k squared equals big M squared. And remember that d miles is a constant. It's not changing. That distance is, so we could say that dr dt or dd dt is equal to 0. So if we implicitly differentiate this relationship with respect to time, 2d dd dt plus 2k dk dt equals 2m dm dt. And this is what we want to isolate. Notice I canceled out all these 2's by dividing every term by 2, and then make this these observations. This distance is not changing with respect to time, so this is a 0. K we're given is 22 miles. dk dt is really r. That's how fast this car or automobile is traveling. And when k is 22, if I put a 22 here, then at that particular point in time, d squared plus 22 squared equals m squared. So m is the square root of d squared plus 22 squared. And we just plug those in, put a 0 here. This term disappears. K is 22, dk dt is r. So there's that left side of the equal sign. M is the square root of d squared plus 22 squared. To solve for dm dt, we just divide both sides by the square root. So 22r over the square root of d squared plus whatever 22 squared is. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.